So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you my best 6 most useful keyboard shortcuts on Windows 11. Let's begin. Now my favorite one of all. To take screenshot on Windows 11, you simply hold on the Windows key plus the Shift plus the S. Then you get this plus icon on the screen. Now you can drag across where you want to capture, and after capturing, a notification pops up so you can edit, view, or save your work to your computer. Now if you want to access your clipboard, simply hold on the Windows key plus the V, and from there you can see your recent saves on the clipboard. Now assume you have a lengthy document to type and you feel so tired. Simply hold on the Windows key plus the H to activate talking instead of typing or speaking, then you are good to go. Then maybe you can go ahead and edit it, maybe if there are some errors somewhere. Now assume you have a lot of windows open and you want to minimize them. Just hold down the Windows key plus D. To switch between tabs, use Windows key plus the tab key. Now to lock your screen, hold Windows plus I and you are good to go. So this is not only going to make things faster for you, but it's also going to make your workflow easier and simple. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing to the Tech and Games team, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.